Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to view speaker notes in PowerPoint while presenting. Let's get started. At first, you have to open a PowerPoint presentation. Now we can see here many slides. Now we want to view the speaker note while presenting. Firstly, add the speaker note. Go to sum down and select the note option. You can see here the click to add note. Now I am add my note. We can see we added note the one by one all slide. Then go to the first slide and select the presenter view and click right button to this presentation and select the show presenter view and change one by one. Select this option and you can see here the speaker notes. You can change this and here show the notes. Then press escape on our keyboard. Now we can see we view speaker notes very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.